Redlining was the practice of systematically denying loans to residents in places where people of color lived. But now an Omaha nonprofit is combating redlining with greenlining. 3 News Now's Aaron Hegarty explains how.
Anthony Baker's North Omaha home has been in the family since 1953.
My roots are here. Family members and friends and neighbors are here. And I think that this is a very viable community. It just needs some watering, just like anything else.
He'd like to stay, and that means making repairs when needed.
I'm quite sure that my heating bill could be cut down some, because there's drafts that I can fill in most of all the windows.
A $1 million fund is targeting North and South Omaha for home repair and renovation by reserving the money for areas affected by redlining, zones determined by racial makeup. The Fair Housing Act outlawed the racist practice in 1968, but
those issues have not been addressed.
Maxwell, Morgan, and Front Porch Investments call their effort greenlining. They're offering zero-interest loans for up to $50,000 worth of home repairs in historically redlined areas.
That might have kept your parents from acquiring a certain amount of wealth, and that trickles down. Just like they say wealth trickles down, so does poverty.
People with questions got information at the Highlander on Tuesday. The biggest concern, how will the loan money be decided? Prioritization will go to people of color, longtime residents in the community, and people over 59 years old. Maxwell says this effort should only be the beginning.
The only way we can make a dent into this issue is if we have the support of everybody. We're only one organization of 4 people, so there's only a limit to what we can do, and we need all our partners to get on board.
This is a pilot project, so it could expand, and funds will go back into the project as they're returned. In Omaha, Aaron Hegarty, 3 News Now.
Well, another information session is tomorrow from 5 to 7 at Canopy South in South Omaha. Applications will be accepted through July 10th.